one of those people that always say, whenever an opportunity comes across your way, or someone tells you about something that can help you shift from where you are to where you desire to be, the first thing you say, I am not ready. Or you think it, I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this opportunity. I'm not ready to do this thing. I'm not ready to invest in myself. I'm not ready to move into my new home, and all the things you can think about and say, I am not ready. But let me shift and bust open that way of thinking, that mindset. Because the truth of the matter is, readiness is about a decision. It is not a feeling. Let me repeat. Readiness is about a decision. It's about making a decision. It is not about how you feel. It has nothing to do with your feelings. Because the truth is that you could be waiting till the cows come home to be ready, to feel like you're ready. And trust me, the ego, your limiting beliefs will give you all the reasons to stay stuck in where you are without moving forward or without taking